Hello, welcome to IMA. Are you a parent of a deaf child? Or a teacher working in a school? Do you want to teach basic English verbs easily and clearly? We designed a special course, Action Verbs with ISL. In this course, you will learn common verbs like eat, play, read, write, run, give, take, all explained with ISL and simple sentences. This course is very useful for parents of deaf children who want to teach at home, school students who need to understand basic English verbs, teachers who want ready-made examples with signs to use in class. You will not only see the signs, but also learn how to use verbs in short sentences and questions. Example: what do you eat? I eat dosa. Simple, clear, and practical. Must pay? Yes. Expensive? No. It's a one-time payment with lifetime access. Learn anytime, anywhere. Step by step, you will build a strong base in English verbs with the right signs. This will help in school learning, homework, and daily communication. English Verb Action course is ready for you now. Download the IMA app today. Start learning and grow your skills. Thank you.